Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4.
Okay students, let us look at question number 4. Question number 4 is from chemical bonding and it's a fairly simple question. It asks us to identify the total number of lone pairs in N2O3, which is an oxide of nitrogen. Now if you happen to know the structure of N2O3, which has been very specifically given in the NCERT, this should be a cakewalk for you. Let me draw the structure of N2O3. As we all know, the structure of N2O3 can be drawn like N, single bond N, double bond O, double bond O. Okay. Now you see the octet of both these nitrogen atoms. Oxygen has a total of 6 valency electrons. So 2 lone pairs will be remaining on this oxygen atom. Similarly, on this oxygen atom also there will be 2 lone pairs remaining. Nitrogen has 5 valency electrons and we have already formed 3 bonds. So there will be 1 lone pair on this nitrogen atom, and similarly in a similar fashion for this nitrogen atom also there will be 1 lone pair. Now so far we have only attached 2 oxygen atoms, and in the formula it specifically says that there are 3 oxygen atoms. Okay. So in case of second period elements after completion of the octet, this is a very important rule which all of you must keep in mind, that for second period elements after completion of octet there is no possibility that the octet can expand and only a coordinate bond can be formed. So we have to attach 1 more oxygen atom. So let me draw 1 oxygen atom over here. It has 6 valency electrons and there is a deficit of 2. So what is going to happen is that this nitrogen atom with its lone pair is going to form a coordinate bond with this oxygen atom. Okay. So this will be my structure of N2O3. And now if I try and count the lone pairs, the number of lone pairs, that can be easily identified. There are 2 lone pairs on this oxygen atom. Okay. Similarly 2 lone pairs on this oxygen atom. That makes them a total of 2 plus 2, that is 4. 1 lone pair on this nitrogen atom also. So in my count I add 1 more. This nitrogen atom has utilized its lone pair for coordinate bond, so it does not have a lone pair anymore. And finally this oxygen atom has a total of 1, 2 and 3, that is 3 more lone pairs. So that how much does it make? 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8. So that is the correct answer to this question, that is 8. Thank you.